Children, we all have understood about total surface area of cube, cuboid, no? Now total surface area of cylinder, volume of cylinder we need to understand. Okay, so first of all understand what is cylinder. You all know cylinder is a solid pipe shaped figure, okay, which has a uniform cross section up and top and bottom, that is called cylinder. So this cross section, this circular cross section, this is the height h, and here to here, that is here. In circular cross section, this is the diameter, and half of diameter you all know, that is radius. So here to here is a radius. Now you have to find total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area means top, bottom and this middle part. Total surface area of cylinder. So we all know curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus this part and this part. This middle part plus this part plus this part. Top, bottom and this middle part. So middle part, that is the curved surface area. Okay, this middle part is known as curved surface area. That is for the formula is 2 pi RH. And now this circular cross section is pi r square. Area of circular cross section pi r square means 2 pi r square. Okay, see here. So 2 pi rs plus 2 pi r square. 2 take out common. 2 pi r common. What is left inside? H plus r. This is your total surface area of cylinder. Now curved surface area of cylinder, already told, 2 pi r into this height. 2 pi r is this part. 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r h. Okay. And what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square is a volume of cylinder. Pi r square into height. Pi r square, this part, and this is the height part. So this is the volume formula. So children, all formulas I have given you. Okay, so you all the questions based on formula, you must apply formula, think logically, think and solve the questions. Okay, any tough questions not able to solve, must ask in group. I hope there is no problem, you can solve easily, but if there is any problem, you must ask. Okay, and solve fast children. 21B, 21C you can solve fastly, and 21D also. Okay, and this is a mixed practice. Mixed practice means some mixed questions are there. Here last exercise, mixed question means volume, total surface area of cube, cuboid, cylinder, everything in a mixed way, miscellaneous questions given. So you have to think and apply your brain, which question need which formula and how you will solve. If any doubt, you ask. Okay, any tough question not able to solve, ask later. Now 21D, one question, this all 1 2 3 4, it is easy, you can do it. One last question I have solved. If radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 4:3 and height are in the ratio 5:6, find the ratio of their curved surface areas. How you will do? See here, let the radii of two cylinders be 4x and 3x, okay, and heights be 5x and 6x. Why 5x x multiplied here children? Because here is given in ratio, so ratio can't be taken like this, so we will let as a in value. So curved surface you have to write in ratio. Curved surface area of C1 means cylinder 1, curved surface area of C2 means cylinder 2. Okay, because here is two cylinder written in your question. Clear? So it is in ratio. Put the formula 2 pi r h. R is 4x, height is 5x in cylinder 1, and in cylinder 2 r is 3x and height is 6x. So 2 pi cut, x cut, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. What is left? 2 5 ja 10, 3 3 ja 9. So 10:9 ratio is your answer. Okay, like that you can solve children. It is easy questions. Okay, solve fastly. Next class we'll start chapter data handling, that is 22 chapter. After that, after few days we'll start revision questions. So solve fastly, take seriously classes.